Induction cooking is the most efficient way of stovetop cooking. Thermador's Freedom Induction cooktop is the largest usable cooking surface in a 36-inch top. The power of induction cooking can provide the home chef with a high heat to sear steaks and chops, along with the responsiveness of heat control to continue cooking without drying out food. To avoid splatter on the cooked surface, place a paper towel under the pan. To avoid losing the connection, always keep the pan on the cooktop for continuous connectivity. Never shake the pan since the connection may be lost and the cast iron could scratch the glass. When cooking steaks, set the pan to a medium to high setting. Induction is fast, so your pan may be ready in about a minute. Then add your seasoned steak and allow to cook for a few moments before turning. Turn your steak over and set the burner to a medium setting to continue cooking on a lower heat to avoid drying out your food.